on YouTube? Hope you guys are having a great day, because I am not. So last night, I didn't show these yet, might as well just show you now. I got the hostel set up with Nitto 420s for the red truck, so we're gonna be throwing those on today. I wasn't planning on doing it in a parking lot, but I came out of work last night and got a flat tire, so I drove to the gas station to try and check it out, because there was no leaks, no nothing, and it seems we have some sidewall damage here. So now we are going to swap these tires over real quick in the parking lot, get the new tires put on. I have some more parts I'm gonna open in another video, I guess, now, because it's all supposed to be done today. Like, it's Thursday. All this shit happened Wednesday night like this. So I was literally Thursday, I was taking the time, gonna do a video, swap everything that I have for this truck and swap the tires, but kind of in a pickle now. So we're gonna just swap the tires today, see how it looks, and get everything situated doing this. It's an uphill battle, I promise you. Alrighty guys, so we got the truck all situated. We're just filling up this truck because it's pretty low, but the other LOI now has, thanks to this guy, now has the new treads on with the hostels. They need to be cleaned up, so I'm gonna get this whole truck. I'm gonna get the glue taken off the truck, detailed, wheels and everything. So, but she's looking good. I'm stoked with the way it looks. No fender flares. Should roll pretty good. We might have a little rubbing issue, but don't worry about this. I'm taking care of this bumper soon anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And it's basically gonna do it for today, guys. It's kind of like a last minute emergency thing. I didn't really plan on doing it, but we're going to call it a day. We got some more work coming up on the next few days on that truck and the other LB7 Duramax. So thank you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It kind of sucked, but you know, it is what it is. You gotta just stay happy and keep smiling. So we're gonna roll out, fill up, get out of here. He's got to go to work, so yeah, just calling it a day, man. It was fun, but now both the trucks are looking pretty thick. Pretty excited. So take it easy, guys. I'm out.